Okay, fine. Bakithi ake sikhulume iqiniso. This is Babu Dokotela saying this. I'm including you as well. Siwenzile amaphutha nabantu futhi basonile. I repeat, we made mistakes and some people they also made mistakes kuthina as well. Wena ke yini ofisa ukuthi uyilungise ikakhulukazi next year? Indeed, you made these mistakes. Umithise ingane kamakhelwane. You know that. And kuyihlazo kumkakho. Akasakwazi ukoneka lengane langaphesheya komgaqo. Just ngaphesheya komgaqo uzakho ungezansi bona bangenhle. And lengane lena ibise varsity ezunyaka oqala. Kushuthi le ngane ino 19 oyimithisile. And those are the mistakes that we made empilweni. And thereafter ubaxoshisile abantu emsebenzini uyazi ukuthi bebengayenzanga into abeyenzile oyishoyo kodwa you made that mistake. What are you planning next year? Kunamaphutha othe uma wenza wajola nomuntu wrong empilweni wabona ukuthi yabona ke lo bhuti lo ayishe. Mina ngaze ngilale nendoda mesithi ufuna usim2 liyaqala ke nje lokho ngicela ukuthi ibhuti wami siyeke. Ngifuna ukuthi lezi zinto lezi uzithathe serious ngoba ama mistake aso 2025 they should not be replicated ku 2026 as well. They should not be repeated.